guys, it's finally here. I had to take it out of the box to do some photography and stuff like that. I could not wait. I was gonna do like an unboxing on camera, but I couldn't wait at all. Guys, look at this. Absolutely beautiful. I'm actually just kind of blown away how amazing this looks. Now, when I saw the old one, this is the pre-production they sent me. When I saw this, I was really impressed by it. Wow, this is great. And he's like, oh, this definitely isn't like the final look. And I was like, wait, what? How much better can you get? This thing is freaking clean. And then I see this one and I'm like, oh, they've done such an amazing job. This is just absolutely gorgeous. It really makes me feel special. If I whip this out, I'm gonna feel like Sam from Splinter Cell. I'm gonna stop there because we need to do the testing. It's better not me talk about it, you guys will see it. Okay guys, tomorrow we are gonna be testing the Maple Wireless out. In order to do that, we need to set up some sort of power system because we're gonna use this AMD heatsink. We wanna get really consistent and scientific results. And there's too many variables when you're in the air. If we push it to the limit and it cuts connection, we gotta go pick up the quad, or you know, it's very, very bad.
You know what I mean?
So yesterday, my buddy was flying. He was so high, he was only on 25 milliwatts. He didn't think he was on 25 milliwatts. He thought he was on 1,000. He ended up flying behind us. My video started cutting out. I'm like, bro, you're in the danger zone. Because I was in audience mode. My video cut out and I just like got quiet because I didn't want to disturb him. Something in my heart told me something's not right. All of a sudden, I got feed again. Unfortunately, the feed was looking at the ground while it's spinning towards the ground. Like I was like, bro, did you just crash? And he's like, yeah. And I'm like, well, what happened? He's like, I don't know, my video cut out. He never saw anything that I saw. The Maple Wireless Mjolnir Pro, like these things connected to his quad in audience mode, whereas he couldn't see anything. And I think there's a couple reasons why. One, these are freaking awesome, and they're just better than the iFlight Crystal, which is what he has. And two, it's because I was asking Maple Wireless last night to explain to me, are these directional? Are they mushroom? And they gave me a weird answer that I didn't quite understand, that I think I understand better now. They were like, these are directional, they are patch antennas, but the way that they had set them up and the way that the DJI software, the algorithm reads the data, it is quasi omnidirectional, and it's still better omnidirectional coverage than the stock DJI antennas. When you're flying near water, buildings, forests, mountains, all that different kind of stuff, if there's any sort of bouncing and inverse polarizing of your signal, which is pretty much anytime you're near anything other than straight line in an open field, this is going to give you incredible security over your quad.
Go.